Ever wondered how the stock market actually works? Whether you're a beginner or just curious, this video will help you. Let's break down what the stock market is, how you can make money, and how to start investing wisely. The stock market is simply a place where investors buy and sell ownership in companies, called shares. These shares are traded on exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of that company. If the company grows and earns more profits, your share's value increases, creating unrealized gain. Some companies even pay dividends, which are small, regular payments to shareholders. Prices change because of supply and demand. When more people want a stock, the price rises. When more people sell, it falls. Economic data, quarterly earnings, and even global events can move the market. Today, it's easier than ever. You can trade stocks directly from your phone through brokers like Robinhood, IBKR, or Moomoo. Always remember to research before buying. Yes, investing involves risk. Prices can drop. But historically, long-term investors have seen strong gains. The key is diversification and patience. A smart way to start is by investing regularly in index funds or ETFs, which give you instant diversification across many companies. Use a strategy called dollar cost averaging, investing the same amount at regular intervals. Don't panic sell when prices drop, and don't chase hot stocks. Focus on long-term growth and financial education. If you want to build wealth over time, the stock market can be one of your best tools.